Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, and then up front, we've got power windows, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, our radio. Let's go ahead and start it up. A hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C-Class has 128,686 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.